Hi everybody, welcome to Scuba Diving Magazine. A scuba diver who ran his dive boat close to a pod of orcas before diving in with them has been landed with the biggest fine ever issued for such an offence under Canada's marine mammal regulations. Thomas Gould was ordered to pay 12,000 Canadian dollars, which is around £7,830, by Judge Geoffrey Campbell in Prince Rupert Provincial Court for an incident that occurred on the 25th of April 2020. From his commercial dive vessel, the Ice Cube, Gould was said to have knowingly interacted with 7 northern resident orcas near Prince Rupert Harbour in British Columbia. Fisheries and Oceans Canada officers established that he had used Ice Cube in attempts to leapfrog or motor ahead of the pod several times. They were also provided evidence that Gould had twice entered the water in full dive gear in close proximity to the orcas. His activities had initially been reported on DFO's Observe, Record, Report public hotline and were also captured on security cameras in the area. Under Canada's federal regulations, it is illegal to swim, dive, or interact with marine mammals, with minimum approach distances to whales, dolphins, and porpoises specified for all boats. In the Pacific Ocean off British Columbia, vessels must stay at least 200 meters away from orcas, with the distance increased to 400 meters in specified waters to the south of the province. Northern resident orcas are listed as threatened under Canada's Species at Risk Act. There is substantial scientific evidence that close approaches to killer whales by vessels can disrupt the normal behavior patterns of these animals, says the DFO. Approaching marine mammals too quickly, coming too close, or making too much noise can disturb, stress, or even harm them. If you see the tail, a fin, or spray, stay far away. The orca pod identified in the incident had been returning to the Prince Rupert area every spring for more than a decade, and signs were posted in the area to remind boat users of the legal restrictions. DFO says that it enforces these through land, air, and sea patrols, as well as education and awareness activities. The public are requested to report instances of marine mammals being harassed or disturbed, or sustaining injuries or entanglements. Watching whales and other marine mammals in their natural surroundings gives Canadians an opportunity to better appreciate these beautiful animals, but when humans get too close, we risk disturbing and even harming them, says DFO. Canada has laws in place to ensure that marine mammals can be enjoyed at a safe distance. So remember to stay far from marine mammals and give them as much space as possible, not just for their safety, but now for your bank balance. For more news stories, head over to scubadivermag.com and divernet.com for the latest scuba diving news. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.